Does your Squarespace navigation look basic? Just flat links sitting in the header with no structure? In this video, I'll show you how to add a professional mega menu to your Squarespace site, hover drop-downs on desktop, full screen menu on mobile in under 2 minutes, no coding at all. Now this video actually covers 2 plugins by Squarespell. The first one is the mega menu, which gives you hover drop-downs on desktop and a full screen menu on mobile. The second one is the desktop Hamburger mega menu, which replaces your header navigation with a full screen overlay menu with image panels, and it looks absolutely premium. Both plugins are installed the exact same way, so whatever one you grabbed, just follow along and you're good. Both plugins automatically read your site's colors and fonts and adapt to them. Dark header, light header, doesn't matter, it just works. And they pull in real images from your pages automatically, no manual setup needed. To get started, log into Squarespace and open your website. First, make sure your navigation is set up the way you want it: your home, about, shop, blog, whatever pages you have. Just add them to your navigation like you normally would. The plugin works with whatever structure you already have. Folders in your nav become drop-down panels. Regular pages get a hero image, and shop or blog pages automatically pull in your products and posts with thumbnails and prices. Once your pages are set, go to the left sidebar, scroll down past your pages list, click Custom Code, and open Code Injection. Now open your code file that came with the plugin. At the top you'll see the header code copy, all of it. Go back to Code Injection, click inside the header box, delete everything that's already in there, and paste the code in. Then go back to your code file and copy the footer code. This time, head back to Code Injection, scroll down to the footer box, delete everything inside it, and paste the footer code in. Hit Save. Now open your website in a new browser tab. On desktop, hover over your navigation or click the hamburger icon. Depending on which plugin you installed, the menu activates instantly. On mobile, tap the hamburger icon and the full screen menu opens right up. That's it. You're done. The result looks like it cost thousands to build. Image panels, clean drop-downs, full screen overlays, all auto-styled to match your brand, live in 2 minutes. Both plugins are linked in the description below. Grab whichever one fits your style, or honestly grab both. If this helped, drop a comment and I'll see you in the next one.